Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see methods to compare strings in Java. So let's start. So first method is by using string.equals. In Java, string.equals methods compares the two given strings based on the data or content of the string. So basically it compares based on the data in the string or the content in the string. If all the contents of both the strings are same, then it returns true. And if any character does not match, then it returns false. So in both the strings, the content should be same. If the content is same, then it will return true, and else it will return false. This is the syntax. Here we have to give first string, then dot equals, in bracket we have to give second string. So I've taken an example here. I've created two strings. In that strings both the content are same. So I have written this query and we will get the output as true. One note here, it checks only the content. It checks only the content, okay, in this string. And second, string 1 equal to string 2. It checks the location in the memory. This statement checks the location of the strings in the memory. It does not check the content. So second method to compare two strings is by using string dot equals ignore case method. So this method compares two strings irrespective of the case, lower or upper of the string. So it checks the content is same or not, and it ignores the uppercase or the lowercase in the string. This method returns true if argument is not null and the content of both the strings are same, ignoring uppercase or lowercase, and else it gets false. So basically it ignores the uppercase or lowercase. So if the content is same, then it will return true. So we will further see one example. We will first see the syntax. So this is the syntax. First we have to write the second string and then dot equals ignore case, in bracket we have to write the first string. So this is the example. I've created two strings. So as you can see in the both the strings, the content is same, but in first string the P is in capital letter, and in second string the P is in small letter. So if we write this statement, it will ignore the uppercase or lowercase. If the content is same, it will return true. So I've written here note also, in this methods it ignores uppercase or lowercase. So this is all about the second method, that is string ignore case. The third method to compare two strings is string compare to. This is the syntax. So first we have to write the data type of the string. So it will be int, and I have to write here first string, then dot compare to, and in second bracket we have to again give the second string along with the data type. Then its working will be, it compares and returns the following values as follows. If string 1 is greater than string 2, then it will return a positive value. And if both the strings are equal, that is, as you can see, then it will return a 0. And in third case, if string 1 is less than string 2, then it will return a negative value. So this is all about the compare to method. Thank you for watching this video.